Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving right into how to use teamwork.com for task collaboration and delegation. First things first, you'll need to create a project. After logging in, head to the Projects tab and hit Add Project. Fill in the project details, such as the name, description, and due date. Remember, this step is crucial as it sets the foundation for your team's work. It lays out what the team needs to achieve and the timeline that must be followed. Now that we've done that, it's time to break down your project into tasks. Click on the Tasks tab within your project and then Add Task. Assign it a name, description, and due date. It's here where you can assign the task to a specific team member. This step is vital as it divides the project into manageable chunks, making it easier for your team to tackle. Let me explain why this matters. By assigning tasks to specific team members, you ensure accountability and clarify roles within the team. It eliminates confusion and makes sure everyone knows exactly what they're responsible for. Next up, we're going to set task dependencies. Click on a task, then select Dependencies. Here, you can set it so that certain tasks can't start until others are completed. The reason we do this is to keep your project flowing smoothly. It ensures tasks are completed in the correct sequence, preventing future bottlenecks. Our last step involves monitoring the progress of tasks. Under the Tasks tab, you can see the status of all tasks. You can use the filters to view tasks based on their status, due date, or person assigned. This helps us because it gives an overview of the project's progress. It allows for early identification of any potential issues or delays, enabling timely intervention. Here's what's happening behind the scenes when you monitor task progress. You're not only keeping track of what's been done, but also what's coming up next. It's a proactive approach to managing your project and ensuring everything stays on track. And there you have it. That's the basics of using teamwork.com for task collaboration and delegation. Remember, the key to successful project management is clear communication and organization, and teamwork.com is a tool that can greatly assist with that. Thanks for joining us today, and we look forward to seeing you in our next tutorial.